Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock a secret Canva elements called Snowy Christmas Tree Collections. This is a hidden set of cute hand-drawn Christmas trees that perfect for all your holiday designs. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Canva and then just open create or create a new designs, and then just go to elements and then just search for this code. Just type this code and then just hit enter, and okay, like this. The entire hidden pack will pop up instantly like this. This set includes multiple cozy illustrated Christmas tree with some ornaments, some decorations. These elements are perfect for a Christmas greeting card, winter theme booster, gift tags, or YouTube thumbnails, or maybe digital planners or stickers. Just try it out, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.